And we take care of all luxury segment customers. For example, we have two villa projects, one at Kokapet, one at Gandipet. So Kokapet is a 25-acre project. It's called as Eden Garden. Over the per villa is of 4 crores. Again, we have one more project at Gandipet, which is an 3 crore villa. So we take care of all luxury villas and luxury flats. For example, we have one more project at Banjaras, which is called as Garden Source. Over there, each flat is a 4,000 safety of 3 crores is each villa, each flat. So we take care of all luxury segment customers. There are a lot of difference between amenities and specifications. A lot of people think amenities means pool, swimming pool, and these all things. But we more focus on the specifications, which is not seen in the building. Normally, amenities mean which is seen outside, like the clubhouse. We are giving all this. Apart from that, we are more focusing on the specification, the quality of construction, what brand of ceramic fittings you are giving, what brand of tiles you are giving, what brand of UPVC you are using. All things, all specifications. That's one of the main USPs to our project. And also we come with a different concept. For example, to take care of the Eden Garden project villa at Kokapet. Over there in India, Indian segment, normally villa project, for every villa you'll get a front side road and again a back side there'll be other villa. But whereas in that project, it's a different concept, how we've seen abroad. Every villa got a two-side road. Front side is a road and the back side is a road. The front side is a garden road, back side is a service road where you directly come from back side and park your vehicle there. Even we take care of all different concepts of our project. That's one of the main USPs for our project. We are different. See, we do all luxury villas, luxury flats. So we come with a different concept, which is not in the real estate thing. We are not doing any conventional things. For example, you take the parking concept. We have a different podium underground parking at the Hillside project. If you look at the other villa project, which is called as Eden Garden at Kokapet, over there we are coming with a two-side road concept with a split-level villa. So all different concepts. Once the customer is going to buy a villa, he'll think what difference is different in one project to other project. So that's how he can compare our project. If you really compare, we have a lot of differentiation with other projects. Tell the specification what you're giving. If you're really frank enough to the customer that you have to explain what you are giving, that's enough to the customer. So we have a separate booklet for each and every project where we detailedly tell about each and every specification of the project. That's one of the main US where we are very frank. We're very open to the customers. In Hyderabad, people saying that real estate is down, but I don't think it's down. For the luxury segment, the villas or the flats, they are getting sold out. The projects which are within city are very well. The projects outside city, around 10 kilometers radius from city, there are a lot of slide down in that villa project. Customer wants to buy a villa. First thing is budget, and the second thing is location. Yes. You should have a budget first. It all depends. The villas will get a villa in 1 crore, 4 crores, 5 crores. Yes. It all depends what kind of budget they're having. After, if he's okay with the budget, he'll think about the location, in which location he's preferring. And after location, he'll think the specifications. What this builder is separate from the other builder. That's how we explain to the customer that these are the difference between our project and the other project. So he'll get convinced. Yes, clients will get to know like what North Star Homes is. Because we are just a new starters in the real estate industry, so they should know what North Star Homes is, what kind of products we have. Till now, we are just doing normal sales, so we want to emboss now with a larger market, so that people should know what the market is and what the company is about. West Maratpalli, one more at Abbots, and we have one more residential apartment at Gachipalli. Total, we have 9 projects, 6 are on hand and 3 are upcoming projects.